Hey everyone, I'm Manish and I welcome you all again to my YouTube channel DataWise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create dual bar charts or also called as overlapping bar charts. If you want to continue to receive these updates, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for future updates. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to take example of the global superstore dataset, and to create overlapping bar charts, we first need to create two bar charts independently, right? So let's get started. What we can do is pick one uh, dimension. Let's pick region, right? Put them into column. And then what we can do is we can pick two measures, right? So one of them could be, let's say, shipping cost, and then we can pick, let's say, profit, right? So what we have right now is two bar charts in front of us, right? So what we need to do is again right click on the second measure, which is sum of profit, and click on dual axis. So once we do that, what we see is the chart type changes to circle, right? So we'll move to the all marks card and change the chart type to bar, and boom, now we have looks like, two bar charts which are overlapping with each other. But then there is a little trick which we still need to do, is we need to move to the second measure, which is sum of profit, and just try to resize it a little. So when we do that, what is happening is my second bar chart is shrinking in width, and here we have what we wanted to achieve, right? We have two bar charts overlapping with each other, and both of them are showing two different measures. So if you look at the color, right, profit is showing as green, and then shipping cost is showing up as one shade of gray, and this is what it is, right? So let's hover our mouse on top of this, and then for the Africa region, this is the shipping cost appearing in the broader bar, which is of gray color, and then the other one is which is the thinner bar, is showing the profit for this region. And this way you can clearly visualize that uh, you know that how the shipping cost and the profit are lined up for different regions. One thing that you will probably notice is on the x-axis for shipping cost, the scale goes up till 300K right here. But then on the right side, if you look at the scale for profit, it goes up till 320K. So what is happening right now is both of these scales are not in sync with each other, and we can actually synchronize them by clicking on this option, right? So right click on the profit axis and click on synchronize axis. And now when you see, both of these scales are showing 320K, right? So now the values are pretty much comparable, and any green bar, which is for any reason, if the green bar is bigger than the brown bar or the gray bar, then what is you should definitely interpret this as, the profit for that region is more than the shipping cost. But then there are these regions, let's say EMEA, and we have this region, right? Southeast Asia, right? For these regions, the shipping cost is much more higher than the profit. So something going on in these regions which needs to be drilled down further. But then by looking at this chart type, it becomes very apparent that we may need to further drill down into regions, these three regions, right? So EMEA, Southeast Asia, and the this one, South. It says South. So that is it, guys. I hope you liked this video and learned something new today. If you want to continue to receive these updates, please subscribe to this channel. And that's it for now. Bye bye. Stay tuned.